Once in a while, I go and cross the border, put down my stuff to see if I can play for her. It's a small city and people still have time. Tears in a smile when someone sings his mind. And every time I go, it's her I hope to see. I never know if she will come back to me. For how long she must endure this train wreck of pain. Hey, I hope to see her tears and smile back again. Although she breathes in defeat, in the sweetheart struggles for another beat. She flies so free. When I play for her, when I play for her, she flies so free. When I play for her, when I play for her, the brightness in her strong eyes lights up the sky for me. And every day she steps away further, feeling free as all her limbs slowly imprison her. Now she can't use her feet no longer. Wheels in a chair is the next step for her. Although she breathes in defeat, and the sweetheart struggles for another beat. She flies so free. When I play for her, when I play for her, she flies so free. When I play for her, when I play for her, the brightness in her strong eyes lights up the sky for me. Once again, I'm over the border, put down my stuff to see, but there's no sign of her. In this small city, people still have time to spend. No money can buy time back again. She flies so free. When I play for her, when I play for her, oh, she flies so free. When I play for her, when I play for her, the brightness in her strong eyes lights up the sky for me, for me, for me, for me. The brightness in her strong eyes lights up the sky for me. The red looks orange, the dark green gray. Although discolored, they give it all away. I had opened up the album of my first year. How images can change suddenly after 32 years. Another human being with another soul, but so familiar to the vague picture below. I see my brother and mother laying next to me And as I see a sun now, all is clear to me. Too young to speak, but already a teacher to me. No, nothing in return, no boundaries into whatever you may grow and wherever you may go. Suddenly I see it's unconditionally. Grandmother and father may have lost their minds, but crazy or not, it makes me realize how they must have felt in 1983 on the 23rd of April, unconditionally. Only love is unconditionally. Too young to understand, but awaiting a little sister, and the day she'll arrive, your love will be with her, and like my brother, you will too. Put your arms around her like he used to do. Just a gardener at Avenue Beaumont, when number 24 was written on the wall. I love that big old garden with its ancient trees and all those mosquitoes sucking on our knees. But in that big old garden, there's something else I found. This colorful butterfly flapping around. She was something else. This was something else. And so I planted a seed so strong, for water no need. And I know it will grow, but the pace needs to be so slow. This colorful butterfly at Avenue Beaumont, living in the garden of number 24, needs to flap around a few years longer, 'cause it takes time for her wings to grow stronger. Because I planted a seed so strong, for water no need. And I know it will grow, but the pace can only be so slow. I know it will grow, but the pace can only be so slow. In a few years at Avenue Beaumont, my plant will rise above number 24. And when its flowers are high up in the sky, her strong little wings will lift her up high. picture of then I'm just a gardener at Avenue Beaumont, where all my pretty flowers are covering the number on the wall.